Hello, this is Gringo in the kitchen once again, and today we're going to be making crepes. Crepes originated in France. And so for the ingredients we're going to be using, I've got eggs, I've got 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, and we've got some butter. I believe it's 3 teaspoons of butter. All right, and then a 1/2 cup of water. So we combine all of this, put the liquids inside of the blender first, and we're going to be making our batter here, okay? All right. Then our final water. Then we'll add our flour. And let's put the lid on here. Okay, we'll just make sure that it's all down on the edges here. We get all of our flour mixed in. And it's really, really thin. It's really, really light consistency here. Just one more time. Okay, the batter's done. One thing we have to do before we put this in the refrigerator is we strain it. All right? There you go. Run everything through a strainer, and then you put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour, and you can put it up there for a day if you would like, and then take it out the next day and use it. Okay, this goes to the refrigerator now. Our batter here for our crepes sat in the fridge overnight. Now we're going to put it in a hot pan. You hear that? And the trick of this is to get it on all surfaces all the way around the pan. You see that? All right, so now you got a good round crepe. And you're going to wait, you're going to let it cook here. I don't know exactly how long it's going to take. It depends on your stove. You're going to wait until the edges start to curl up, and then the shine of the crepe is going to go away, and it's going to become dull. At that point is when we flip it over for another 20 to 30 seconds on the other side. Okay, you can see how the edges are separating a little bit. They sort of raise themselves. And then the dullness of the batter, which means it's almost ready to flip over. But you get away, the shine is gone, so now it's getting done. So again, you're going to flip it, but you got to be careful. You're going to flip to the other side. There you go. Okay, it's time to start putting our crepes together. You can see I've got the crepes made. I've got three of them here, and 2 of them I've already got folded. This is just your basic crepe. You fold it again, so you got 4 different folds, and you put it right here. And then what I'm going to do is take some powdered sugar. Just put it inside a little bit of a screen here, and then you just make it snow a little bit on top of them. All right, there you go. And then put that aside. Then I've got some of these here really nice berries. A little bit of color. Whoop. A little bit of color here. I got the red ones here. If they would stay up on top here. All right, and you can mix anything else you want with it. Maybe a little bit of cream or something on there, and that's your first crepe. All right, now the second crepe, we're going to get away from the sweets just a little bit, and we're going to be doing a little bit something with a little bit of salt. So we've got 2 pieces of provolone cheese here. We'll put those right on near the top. All right, and right here. We got I believe this is chicken. All right, and then one more thing we're going to add to this that we just cooked a little bit of asparagus, and we're going to put a few spears of asparagus right here on the top. Have the little head sticking out. Okay. All right, you can put as much in there as you want, and then just simply fold it over. There we go. All right. And my final crepe today is going to be with some vanilla ice cream and strawberries. This is going to be your dessert. Okay? So what you do is you take a scoop of ice cream, maybe 2. 2 would be good. We'll set them right there. All right? You got to work pretty quickly with this because that ice cream tends to melt so quickly. All right, and then I'm going to put some of the strawberries around the ice cream. You just want to put it on top, put it wherever. Really no exact science to this. Okay, and then I want to bring the bottom up. All right, then you fold in each side, trying to hold it together. There we go. It's sort of hard to get it to hold together, but there we go. I'm just going to drag it back just a little bit. All right, and then to finalize it, you just take your chocolate syrup and you just take it back and forth, okay? And there you go with your crepes. Okay, today we've got these 3 beautiful crepes. We started with the normal crepe, just folded them over and put a little bit of fruit with it with some powdered sugar. And then we went a little bit salty, and we've got our chicken, we got our cheese, and then some asparagus. And then finally, for your dessert, we got the vanilla ice cream along with the strawberries and a little bit of chocolate syrup. So on behalf of Gringo in the Kitchen with Zenobia Beckley, I'd like to thank you for watching us. Please subscribe, like, and share. And also click on the bell so you can get notifications when we have new videos coming out. Thank you very much. I'll see you next week.